Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got a package from AliExpress, would you believe? And it's a while since I've had one from there. So yeah, it arrived and I thought, oh, what have I ordered? And yeah, I'm looking through and I'm thinking, oh, what is it? And I'd completely forgotten I'd ordered this. It has taken quite a while to come. In fact, the AliExpress items that I've had have taken, or they seem to have taken a long time to come recently. I've only had a couple of bits that have been sort of bits that I've seen and thought, oh, I'll just get one of those and see what it's like. I'm trying to get into this one. It's certainly got plenty of packaging on. It's come in a box, which is always a good sign. We like boxes. They don't always work, but on the whole they do. So let's have a look. Oh, it's not wanting to come out. Just bear with me a second while I wrestle with this package. Got it. Right. So, we're in a mini pizza box. Oh, I could just eat a pizza. I don't know what I'm going to have for my dinner, but I could just eat a pizza. Right, let us have a look in this little... Oh, and it's a box with a package in it. Oh, and thank you sticker. Oh, I don't know that I've had a thank you sticker before. That's quite novel. Look. Oh. So maybe that's because I've had to wait a while. Never mind. I mean, these things happen. I think we just get so impatient these days. I must admit this, that I've been delivering things. They have been coming at a reasonable rate. I would say the average is about 10 days for things from China, but these have taken a good couple of weeks, so which is probably why I'd forgotten about them, because you know what my memory is like. Right, so let us look. Oh, we've got somebody trying to escape out the bottom there, look. It's trying to make a break for freedom. It's a good job it was in a box. Maybe it peeked out and thought, oh, I'm in a box, it's pointless getting out. And, oh no, don't say not another clock. So yeah, I was looking around my living room, and I know this is very last minute, and I thought, I've got all these Christmas decorations up and then a clock, and I just thought, well, I'd be better off really getting a Christmas clock, and then I can just put that up for Christmas, and that's what I've done. So now I've just got to get it done. But actually looking at it, it's probably about a 10-inch clock. And there doesn't look to be a huge amount of crystals and things on it. Quite a few specials. Ooh. Oh gosh, look at the size of them. Right. And I just thought, well, I might as well get a Christmas clock, and then I can just put it up for Christmas. And once Christmas is over, I can pack it away and get it back out again. I mean, it will stand. It does come with one of the little acrylic stands. So we've got a cover sheet on the back, and then we've got the cover sheet on the front to preserve the sticky. I'm trying not to get the glare. I do apologise. A couple of the last videos, I've been so intent on looking at the things, I've not been checking whether there's any glare or not, and there has. So big apologies. I will be having a big clear round and sort out again after Christmas. Why do we always make Christmas the marker? It's like, yeah, everything's going to happen after Christmas. And then it'll be, oh, well, we'll do it in the new year. But anyway, we will get done. So this is actually like a pocket watch. So, because it's got the little like stopper and everything, like a stopwatch, a pocket watch. Yeah, so we've got the little fastenings and the little thing on the top there, look. And then it looks like they've just taken it out and stuck it in a wreath, which is quite a nice idea. And we've got a beautiful bow and all these baubles, and oh, we've got pine cone. I do like pine cones, and a couple of candy canes as well. Looks like somebody's had a nibble of that one. Maybe it was the person trying to get out the box had a nibble of the candy cane. And then we've got a little Santa waving. Oh, heck, he's waving a holly leaf at us. Is that safe, Santa? Or is he waving? No, he's not waving. I was thinking that this was like his sleeve, and that was his cuff, and then that was like his little hand in a glove, but it's not, is it? This is his hat with a bow on. Or has it got a bow on? No, this is his hat, and that's a holly berry. He's just popped his head through. He's got his hands well out the way of this holly. Oh, that'll be a bit prickly if he gets stuck on that. Oh dear me, what am I like? Right, where's my tape measure gone? Scotty tape measure still to be found. yeah, anything that drops on the floor in here just has to stay there until I can get on my hands and knees. And then once I'm on my hands and knees, it's then getting back up. That's the problem. Getting down's easy. Sometimes a lot faster than I expect. Right, so it is 9 inches. Whoops, it's a little bit smaller than I thought, which is about 24-ish centimetres. So, yeah, it's not a bad size. It's pretty, but I just thought, yeah, as soon as I've got all these things up, and I've got like gingerbread men and everything around my clock, because that's like the colour scheme. So this won't really match in, but will anybody notice? Nobody's really noticed my themes. They all just come in and look and say, oh, there's some here and there's some here and there's some here. The 2 ambulance girls this morning that came for hubby for his dialysis, yeah, they were having a good look round. Oh, need some scissors, Liz. And yeah, one of them says, oh, I've tried that. I really enjoyed it. Do have a go. It's very good. And they're asking me all about it. And I was in the middle of doing a little sign as well to go up. I'm still doing Christmas. Right, so that's been well protected. Look, we've put a little bit of cardboard over the sort of like clock mechanism there and wrapped it in bubble wrap. So that's a good idea. Albeit all the clocks have gone out, and as far as I know, they are all still working. We just need one treble A battery. Where's the box gone? Phew! I thought we were the hands missing, but they'd dropped out. So they had escaped. They were in the little jiffy bag, the little bubble wrap bag. So that's good. I thought, oh no, we haven't got any clock hands. Actually, I'm not going to undo those because I have done a lot of clocks in the last month or so. So yeah, we've got the washer there. We've got the second hand, the minute hand, and the hour hand, and just a couple of little bolts to pop it on. So yeah, once I've done it, I may or may not show it on screen putting it together, because I have, if you look up in my playlist, there is quite a few making of clocks. So yeah, pen button wax. Phew, I'm so pleased that was there. I thought, oh heck, although I probably have got some spare from other places, because I did do a couple of clocks a couple of years ago now, and I have taken them down and swapped them out. Like my kitchen clock used to be a lot of bumblebees. Well, I'm not bee themed in my kitchen now. I'm more country kitchen. Well, in my eyes it's like country kitchen. Anybody else's, they'll probably think, oh, what's this? Right, okay, let's have a look at these gems and see what we're putting on it. So if I can get finished up doing my videos, and while they're uploading for editing, then I think I might have a go at doing this afternoon. If I put a new clock up on the wall before hubby comes home, I've got a few hours. Just thinking, I wonder if he'll notice. He's in a very observant mood today. No, he's in one of those, just move that to that side there, and can you just move that about an inch that way? And that just needs straightening, look. And he's looking at things and I'm like, I'm just losing patience a little bit. Can we just not do this right this moment? Yes, how to win friends and influence people. Oh, look at those gems. Let me take this out so you can see it properly. These large D number gems, D letter gems. There's only 4 of them, and we have only got 4. But if you look at that, it's got. Oh, see if I can catch it in the light. Yeah, there you are. Look, it's got like a star on it, like a flowery star. The way that it's been faceted, it's just that little bit different. Just can't quite catch it. You can see like the yeah, you can see it a little bit there. It's not your normal sort of diamond shape. It is like a star, like a poinsettia or star. So yeah, they'll be nice. Big gems. Excellent. Okay, I'm just thinking, I don't know whether I've got any of my hooks for my clocks. So I might have to get some more of the little hooks. No, they won't come in time for today now. Never mind. I could always put it... could I put it up with her? No, I would need to put the back on. I don't know if I'd be able to use a command strip or not. I'll have a think about it. I've got to get it done first. I've got to get these videos done first. Right, so we have... Let's have a look. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different gems. Oh, 11 different gems and colours, because we've got that one that they've added in extra. They must have checked them and thought, oh no, we've missed one, so they've put an extra one in. So we have a lovely deep dark forest green there, and a nice Christmassy green, and like a peachy gold, and oh, a little bit dark gold. Very nice. That's like a whiskey dark gold. Ooh, all in time for Christmas. A very bright sparkly clear, a Christmassy red, and then in the semi-spheres we have the small rounds. They're the ones that don't have any facets on, and some medium rounds, some large marquees there, and then some large white pearls, semi-spheres with an iridescent coating on. So very pretty. So we're going to have the large green going round. We're going to have the pearls going around. 1, 2. Do we only have 2 pearls? Oh, that's quite nice. And I think you can see the reds, look, all dotted for the berries, and then those little reds just dotted in amongst it all. So yeah, very pretty. Oh, and then our greens, look, we've got sea green. Shouldn't it be sea blue? You know what I mean. So he's lovely. Now then, can I get it done? The hubby might go to sleep tomorrow afternoon, so if I don't get it done today, I might be able to sneak it on the wall tomorrow while he's asleep. I can try. I'll let you know. That's all our lovely gems and our little hands. Well, just a very quick video. I just thought you might like to see my purchase. I think it was round about the £10 mark, which I think for a clock these days is a pretty reasonable price, and one that you actually get to make up and do yourself is even better. So yeah, that's it. Just took a little bit longer to come than I was expecting. Maybe I'm just impatient at the moment. I don't know. I think Amazon's spoiled us all, to be honest, when you can get Amazon Prime and next day delivery. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this little TikTok clock with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, watch our 3 advent calendars being opened every day in December. Then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner, an all notifications bell pops up. If you click on that, then you'll be notified when any of my videos go live, and then you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.